Ready to launch your dream website without spending a dime? Let's build it with free domain and hosting. First, we need to secure your free domain name. Several platforms offer free subdomains, which are essentially web addresses attached to their main domain, like your name is plateform. Think of a unique name for your site. I recommend checking out services like Wix, Weebly, or even WordPress.com itself. They all provide easy ways to claim a free subdomain. Now for the powerhouse, your free hosting. This is where your website's files will live. We'll be using a platform that offers free WordPress hosting, perfect for beginners. Look for providers like Infinitive Free or WebHost. These companies give you a space on their servers to build your site. And importantly, they support one-click WordPress installation. Once your hosting account is ready, navigate to their control panel. You'll find a section for software or applications. Click on the WordPress installer. Follow the straightforward prompts to install WordPress on your chosen subdomain. This usually involves setting an administrator username and password for your new site. It's that simple to get WordPress running. With WordPress installed, it's time to make it your own. Log into your WordPress dashboard using the credentials you just created here. You can choose a theme to define your site's look. There are thousands of free themes available. Browse through them, preview the ones you like, and activate your favorite. Then start adding your content, text, images, and pages. And there you have it, a fully functioning WordPress website, complete with a free domain and hosting. Your online presence is officially established, all without a single cent spent.